Hello everyone. This is my web programming assignment 2 for the JOS Jobs Recruitment website. In this demonstration, I will show the features I implemented according to the assignment brief, including improvements to the website functionality, administration system, client system, inquiries, and code structure. As you can see, the website is open, the home page of the website. This is the home page. It displays the latest information, including the five jobs that are closing soonest, sorted by their closing date as requested in the brief. And it also and I have also updated the footer and made it 2026. Um, Now moving on to the next feature I added, that is the career advice. When I click on the career advice page, it shows the information that I have included in it. I added a new career page in the website, which contains useful information for job seekers or as requested by the client. And moving on to the next changes that I made. I need to open the admin login page. As you can see, I need to enter the login. Uh, I entered admin and admin 123 as my password. When I log in, uh, admin and sorry, the password was wrong. When I entered let me in, it it logs in successfully. This administration area is protected using individual user accounts. Uh, and in this page, I can from the admin, I can uh, add a category, edit a category, or delete a category, and I can also add a new job or archive the jobs, edit the jobs, or view the applicants. And moving on to the next, um, which is the admin jobs. The jobs page now displays the category name and date received. So the jobs can also be filtered by category and sorted by the newest first. Instead of deleting jobs, they can now be archived. You can see here. And the another page I would like to show is admin users. The admin users page. As you can see, there are four users. Multiple staff users can now be managed to the administration area. Each staff member has their own username and password instead of sharing a single password. And you can see I can add a user or delete an existing user. Now I am going to open the client login. As you can see, it shows the login page first, and when I enter client 1 and the password of the client, um, you can see the page appears. Client have their own restricted area where they can manage only the jobs they created and view applicants for their job. As you can see, when I click the view applicants, it displays the applicant who viewed it, okay, who applied it. The next feature is the job search. For example, when I click jobs and IT, as you can see, there are two jobs. One is IT infrastructure manager, and the location is London, and the other one is Northampton. The location is Northampton. If I put London here and click on the search, jobs from London will show here. Customers can now search available jobs using both job title and location. Um, The next thing is the job application. If I click apply for this job here and just type out, and we can also attach a CV. For example, I'm just attaching some random file, and when I press apply, the it says the application is complete and we will contact you after the closing date. Job applications are which means the job applications are successfully stored in the database and can be viewed later by the client who published it. The other feature I would like to show is the inquiry feature. For example, when I open this contact page and write fill out the fill out the information here. Student, for example, and random email. When I uh, when I fill out the information for the contact us page and submits in, it says the thank you for your inquiry, which means the inquiry is done successfully. And to view it, if I open this page, then as you can see here, the the inquiry we just made shows here at the last, and I can also click the complete button and it changes to completed by admin and action equals to completed. Instead of sending emails directly, inquiries are now stored in the database. Staff members can mark inquiries as completed and the system records which staff members handle the inquiry. Uh, in conclusion, I implemented the requested functionality from the assignment brief, tested the new features, and improved the overall code structure or to make the application easier to maintain. Thank you for watching my demonstration.